really concerned that this postponement, delayment, maybe is a result of political interference. I met Babu Kele Mchunu. I asked him, why are you arresting me? We asked what I had. That's what he said to me. And the head of the Minister of Police in South Africa and the politician. That's what he told me. I asked him humbly as my father, because we knew each other long time ago, because I'm a former broadcaster for SABC TV and the radio. My Lord, I'm asking, I'm pleading to you that, as you know, that each and every move in this country, after Corona 2 years, then the unrest, then the disaster in our country, now we are back to normal. Can this matter end? If I may be arrested, I must be arrested now, not later than now. If I'm guilty enough, because as I'm going out here, respecting the rule of law, what will happen, my Lord? So much cost that I'm involved in. Now I have to call people back. That next time I'm coming to court. For what? How many criminals that are out there? People were raped out there, my Lord, by the illegal miners. Nobody is taking care of that. You are just arresting an honest man that never been convicted.